Welcome to a new geometry question with Mathtartic. In this question, triangle ABC is given, and the lengths of known sides are given. The question asks to find the area of triangle ABC. Before diving into the solution, please feel free to pause the video, think about the solution, subscribe to my channel, solve the problem, and come back to watch the rest of the video. Let's start the solution. In the first step, I'm going to use one hint. The hint says if we have a triangle with sides as x, y, and this angle alpha, the area of the triangle is obtained as 1/2 times x times y times sine alpha. So if we know x, y, and this angle, we can basically obtain the area. If you take a look at this triangle, we know this side, which is 8, and we know AB is 5. So if we can obtain this angle, we can obtain the area using the formula that I mentioned. In order to obtain this angle, we can take a look at triangle AMN. Since all the sides in this triangle are equal, we can conclude that this triangle is an equilateral triangle. Therefore, all the angles are equal to each other, and each angle is equal to 60 degrees. So we have 60 degrees here. Let's replace all the known variables to obtain the area. So the area is equal to 1/2 times AC, which is equal to 8, times AB, which is equal to 5, times sine alpha, which is sine 60 degrees. And we know that sine 60 degrees is square root of 3/2, and if we replace all the known terms, s is equal to 1/2 times 8 times 5 times square root of 3/2, and from this we have 2, so the answer is 10 times square root of 3. Yeah, this is the final answer. There are other ways to solve this problem, so in case you have another solution, please let me know in the comment section below.